Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down the PC and cutting mains power. This prevents shorts and data loss. Once off, unplug the PSU cable and flip the switch if present. Make sure you ground yourself. An anti-static strap is ideal, otherwise touch the chassis frequently. Open the case and position it so you can reach the PCIe slot comfortably. You need to identify the GPU's power cables and the slot latch. This sets up the removal sequence and prevents accidental damage. You begin by disconnecting the 6-pin or 8-pin PCIe power connectors. Press the connector latch and pull the plug straight out to avoid bending pins. Next, remove the screw or screws securing the GPU bracket to the case. Store them where you will find them later. Then press the PCIe slot retention tab, sometimes on the slot, sometimes a clip near the card, and pull the GPU straight out with steady, even force. Rocking or twisting risks damaging the slot or card contacts. Once the card is free, set it on an anti-static mat or its original foam, face up, and inspect the PCIe gold fingers and bracket for dust or bent contacts. Clean with compressed air if needed. Make sure no screws or standoffs fell into the case before reassembly, then reconnect the PSU and test. If the system fails to post later, reseat the GPU and power connectors, try another PCIe slot if available. And if your CPU has integrated graphics test with the monitor on the motherboard to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.